All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little offering from Zippo. This one arrives in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Dragon Eye. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Made in the United States of America, of course. Now this one on the inside says it's a special edition, and it's the Dragon Eye. Kind of a semi-collectible box. Here's a good look at the eye. It's on a street chrome case, and this was made in, looks like A of this year, so it's only a few months old. It's got some really good stampings. Good sound, steel insert, fires up nice. That's a Dragon Eye. Let's do a drop test. On the Dragon Eye. Okay. Passes the drop test without catching anything on fire, so that's good. That's the Dragon Eye, made earlier this year, and I got a place for that in my collection right over here for now. I don't have duplicates of many Zippos, but I do have those two on the ends. And here's another Dragon Eye to go along with it. Those are some Dragon Eyes. And all of the Dragon Eyes are made in the USA and definitely deserve some cowbell. A knuckle bump.